In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install Kodak ESP 5200 or 5250 series printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed at the description box below. I have provided a link there. All you need to do is you need to copy it. Once done, navigate to the button search bar and type for Chrome. Once you've typed that, kindly wait until a best match would appear in this kind of window, and once it's here, please click on Open to continue. So here, please directly proceed to the window search bar. Click on the backspace to delete it or to clear the window search bar and make a right click and go with paste. Once you've pasted it, hit the enter key so that you would be redirected to the result. So this mega folder would be getting ready for you. All you need to do is you need to wait until you can see the zip file. So once here, please click on download and kindly wait until this would be successfully downloaded here in our PC. So please wait until this would be finished before we proceed to the installation. Okay, so once it is being downloaded, directly proceed to the upper right side of the screen. You can see a download icon. Click on this folder icon to show it in the location where it is being placed to or saved to. So from here, all you need to do is you need to make a right click and go with the scat icon. Once done, close the window as well as this one, and from here make a right click and click on paste. Now once you have pasted the zip file, all you need to do is you need to double tap to unzip it, or you can simply make a right click and go with extract all, or use the tool or program which is WinRAR to extract the file. Okay, so once a new file has been created, we need to proceed installation by here at the start icon, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. Now from here, you need to navigate to the left pane where you can see a list of the options and please locate with Bluetooth and devices. And here you need to select for printers and scanners and eventually you can see this kind of window. Please select for add device and wait until you can get an option where you can manually add your printer driver or a printer driver. Click on add manually. And in this kind of window, please choose for add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next. Click on this down arrow key and use among of this three USB port. Once done, click on next. Go with have disk, click on browse and go with the desktop. And from here, you need to scroll down and double tap to here. So it will show you the driver as well. Okay, just proceed to the driver and select any of this. And if no driver is being shown here, go with this down arrow key, go with the driver. Go back to this Kodak ESP 5200 or 5250 and go with the second, which is the driver itself. Click on open and click on OK, and it will be placed here. So all you need to do is you need to navigate for the locating for the 5200. Okay. So here you can see the 500 series AiO. Click on next and go with next, and it will now start in the installation. So kindly wait until this would be finished. Once done, please click on next and go with finished. And there you have that. You have just successfully installed the Kodak ESP 5200 series AiO in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So close the window and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.